today we're going to be working on the S4. I'm going to try to put back the front of the vehicle. I'm going to see if we have enough time to do the engine mounts, and then just replace a few things on the inside, and yeah, that should be it. There's the whole entire front. Sorry for the fan there, but it's very hot. We got our quick jack, and I'm going to take you guys along and just see how we do it. Oh, for those that didn't know, here we are. This is Steel Tune. It's our new home, Steel Tune, where we work on, you know, on vags and pretty much of everything. So here you are, a little bit of what we do and where we are. So guys, stay tuned, and don't forget to like, share, and comment.
And then you'll put these heavy fucking rims in your car.
Dory, my heavy rims will go on the casting.
I'm gonna tell you.